Welcome to episode 3 of AI Decoded for Executives. Today, we'll explore a straightforward framework for calculating AI return on investment, accessible to any executive without needing a finance degree. Organizations often err by relying on information technology for return on investment spreadsheets, focusing solely on cost savings and using vendor projections. They measure activity over outcomes and set long term horizons without short term checks. Our framework begins with business decisions, measures chief financial officer recognized value, distinguishes savings from gains, and tracks outcomes regularly, creating a board evaluable case. Welcome to the framework, the four-part artificial intelligence return on investment formula. We'll explore how value is gained, costs incurred, time to value, and risk adjustments shape artificial intelligence investments. In part 1, we explore the value gained from artificial intelligence. Hard savings include headcount avoidance and reduced vendor contracts. Soft gains enhance decision speed and customer experience. Strategic value focuses on new revenue and market speed. Quantify hard savings easily, assign proxy values for soft gains, and use scenarios for strategic value. Organizations often underestimate artificial intelligence costs. Consider technology expenses like licenses and infrastructure, people costs for implementation and management, and change costs for process redesign. Ongoing costs include maintenance and compliance. Remember, if people costs aren't included, your artificial intelligence business case is incomplete. AI projects typically follow a value curve. Deploy months 1 to 3, sees costs with no return. Stabilize months 3 to 6, breaks even. Scale months 6 to 9, accelerates value. And optimize months 9 plus, builds strategic value. Ask your team when the project breaks even and the assumptions behind it. If no value in 6 months, reset the project. Every AI business case must consider downside scenarios. Technical risks include wrong outputs and system integration issues. Adoption risks involve tool usage and skills gaps. Compliance risks cover general data protection regulation breaches and audit gaps. Key questions. What is the cost of a bad AI decision? What is our adoption history? Has legal reviewed data inputs and outputs? The formula for AI ROI involves calculating value gained minus cost incurred, divided by time to value, and multiplied by risk factor. In a finance example, AI reduces monthly close from 8 to 3 days, yielding $240,000 a year. Costs total $120,000 in year 1 with break even at month 7. Despite a 30% adoption delay risk, ROI remains positive. Before approving any AI project, ensure your team can identify a specific business decision the AI will enhance. Separate hard savings from soft gains in the business case. Include people costs in the cost model. Confirm a break-even date within 9 months. Ensure legal has reviewed compliance. Assign an accountable executive. If any are missing, the business case isn't ready. That is episode 3 of AI Decoded for Executives. Next Friday, we'll explore 5 AI myths that your leadership team might still believe, costing organizations real money. Follow along as we debunk these misconceptions.